Hello. For today's project, I'm making some new keys for my arbor to hold these slitting saws. These slitting saws I got used off of eBay in a 10-pack, so I have quite a few of them. But once I tried fitting them on, I noticed something odd. They have a slot here that's smaller than the traditional 3/8 of an inch. Measuring it here with a stack of gauge blocks, it is 332 thousandths wide. So I'm gonna make some replacement keys out of some 1018 steel to fit into this Cat 40 holder here so that the slitting saws will get held in place with the odd size keyway. I'll probably do this project with my vertical machining center and make a few extra just in case anything goes wrong. Here's the milling machine I'm going to use for this project. It is a Supermax Max 3 Rebel, quite similar in many ways to a Haas VF3, so 40 inches of X travel, 17 in Y, about 20 in Z, Cat 40 spindle and tool changer. On this machine, I need to touch off a tool, so I have an automatic tool probe in the machine. I called it up using a macro in here, so M101, H for what offset, then the diameter of the tool if it needs to offset it for large tools such as face mills, and then the tip diameter, end of block, enter. Then I hit start, and then here is where it touches off the tool. Then the table returns to the location the macro was called from. And here in the vise, you can see we have both of the parts. In the left side is the actual part I'm going to machine, and then I have another block of equal size over on the right hand side so that the clamping forces are parallel on the parts. But otherwise, I'm just holding them in a normal 6-inch Kurt vise with some parallels underneath to hold up the part. there's one of the parts done. I'll take it out so you can see it. Here's how the finished parts look. Now I'm going to check and make sure that the chamfers on it are the correct size. Here's the slitting saw, and it does fit correctly into that key. Now we just have to cut off the remaining stock on the bottom and it should be ready. One dimension I just remembered to check was the main 3/8 of an inch wide area of the key, which goes into the tool holder. So when I put my micrometer on it here, it measures just under 3/8 of an inch. And I was hoping to get about 1/1000th undersized, so it's not too snug of a fit. And it looks like in most areas I made that target dimension. Here's how I set the spindle RPMs on this machine. I'm wanting to go about 60 surface feet per minute at the cutter. It's a 4-inch cutter, and I want to go 60, so that is about 56 for the closest RPM. And my cutter has 26 teeth, and since I'm only lightly holding it, I'm only going to be taking about 2.5 thou per tooth. So I'm going to go 3 3/4 inches per minute on the feed rate right here, and then there. That's the feed rate. The dial ring is stuck on my z-axis, so I can't zero it out. So right now I'm using a dial indicator to count how much I need to go up. And I need to go up about 208 thousandths. There. I'm up to height now, and this should be ready. I'm applying a few drops of cutting oil to the surface. Locking the y-axis. Now turning on the spindle. Now engaging the feed.